At the base of the Chikala Hills in Malawi's Machinga district lies one of nature's most fascinating masterpieces, Malape Pillars. This mysterious and stunning marvel has been shaped over centuries by the delicate but persistent forces of erosion. These pillars, a geological heritage, stand as silent witnesses to the power of natural processes. The Malape Pillars, shaped by the interaction of different soil types, tell a story of resilience and transformation. Each column, topped with layers of harder soil, withstands erosion while the softer earth surrounding it is gradually washed away by the rain, leaving behind these magnificent towers. The tranquil beauty of Malape Pillars is accompanied by its spiritual importance to the local community. For generations, this site has been regarded as sacred, believed to be inhabited by spirits where strange and unexplainable phenomena have taken place. This profound cultural connection adds an additional layer of mystery to the already captivating landscape. Yet, this geological treasure is under threat. What was once an expansive site has now shrunk significantly, eroded by time and the elements. With each passing year, more of Malape Pillars disappears, leaving behind a stark warning. If action is not taken, this natural wonder could vanish forever. Malape Pillars stand as a testament of the power of nature, a reminder of our responsibility to protect the wonders we inherit. Preserving this fragile landscape is not just about safeguarding its beauty, but ensuring future generations can connect with its story, its mystery, and its undeniable magic. Malape Pillars, a masterpiece of nature, a sanctuary of the spirit, and a call to conservation.